Freshly fallen pine cones scattered beneath the trees, red and orange, the colours of beautiful shiny berries, candles lit in the middle of the table, standing proud as a centerpiece. So the first thing that you're going to need is a glass, and you also need to pick up some branches or sticks from your garden or the park. Then you're going to make sure you turn your hot glue on because you want it as hot as possible so that it's stronger. And we're going to build a base around the glass. So you're going to start off by snapping little bits of your twig. So I've got one here that I've done. Try and get them to the same size. So I've just gone ahead and snapped all of my twigs, and now I'm going to stick these in place. So I'm applying some hot glue. Just press that down, and then we're going to add more glue here. Stick that down. So now we've got our base, and we're going to just carry on building on top of that. What's great about this project is that it's really inexpensive and it's rustic, it's natural, and those are really nice styles for Christmas. Just remember to make sure that it fits along your glass. And of course you can design it how you like, you can stick your twigs any way that you like. And we're going to be dressing this up, it's not going to just remain like this, so don't worry. So just keep building it up until you're happy with it, and now go and start decorating this. So I've got a few things here to decorate and we'll see what we use. So I'm going to start off with some reindeer moss in green and a cream or white version. I did try the purple but it just didn't look right, so I'm going to stick to these two colours. I'm going to take little bits like this and just hot glue them, tucking them inside little spaces. And now I'm going to go ahead and stick down these miniature pine cones. I decided that it looks a bit too brown, so I'm going to add some snow using this sponge brush and my white acrylic paint. I kind of ran out of the snow spray, otherwise I would use that. So this is an alternative if you don't have snow spray. Just dab it on like this. So it's not too much and it looks really nice. You can look at the difference here, you can see that it adds contrast, so that's how it looks with the white paint on, and this is how it would have looked if I didn't add it. Completely different, it just adds life to it. So I'm going to hot glue them in place. So I'm just trying the orange slices and I don't think that they fit with this. Like I'm going to have to use quite a few and they're quite big, so they hide a lot of the twigs, so I think I'm going to go without. I also tried these and they don't go at all, they're too big. Now I'm trying acorns and I don't think they go, they're too brown and we've got enough brown, so we need to add some colour and contrast. So I think that the red berries definitely go. So let's start with that. So we're just going to hot glue these in different places throughout. Make sure you play around with the position of everything before you stick it down, because it really does make a difference to the final look. So for example, I could have this up here, but it just doesn't look right because I've got a lot that are standing upright. So I think that this way here is better because it just adds to the dimension. I was going to add in these orange berries, but it just seems too much, so they're going to stay out as well. I'm taking a pearl bracelet that I cut in a previous craft, and these are what's left. And I think I'm going to add a few, so I'm just going to hot glue those in place as well. And the last thing that I'm doing is adding in these wooden shapes I got from Poundland, so I'm using the stars here. And I'm going to leave them plain because I want to stay with a natural look on this. And again, make sure that you play around, see where you want everything to go, and just hot glue them in place. And finally, add your tea light in and you're done. And here's a finished DIY. I have had so much fun putting this together and I really love it. I like natural things and I think this looks so festive. I really wanted to show that you don't need to spend a lot to make a really nice handmade gift for Christmas or a stunning centerpiece. The only thing that I literally brought for this project is the wooden stars. If you have enjoyed this tutorial or it's given you inspiration, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and a comment. I read every single one of them and enjoy doing so. Thank you all so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you do. Take care of yourselves. Bye.